Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to create and grow meme coin incredibly quickly and the unique method behind those meme coins that most people never use. If you've been trying to trade meme coins but feel like you're always loose money, there's another side to the game you should understand: launching the coin itself. Today, I'll explain how meme coin launches work and the key steps involved in starting a meme coin. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Do you see my Phantom wallet? Yeah, I'm short $9.1 million. And this is all from deving meme coins, not by trading. That's why I'm making this video, to show you how it works. Now, most people in the space don't lose money in meme coins because they cannot spot trends or because they're bad at trading. They lose because they just buy coins and then they get completely liquidated by the dev, okay? That's the truth. They enter after the excitement is already done, and after that, the person who launched the coin takes advantage of that demand and takes their money, basically. And that's exactly why me and a bunch of experienced traders and major TOS like Orangey and all of those people are stepping away from trading and going into deving. It's simply the better option because it's way more profitable. It's as simple as that. When you trade meme coins, you could lose your money at any given moment to these coins like this. But if you dev, you are risking nothing. You are launching meme coins for completely nothing. $0, right? Now, launching in 2026 has become way more popular, but it's still really lucrative and really untapped. If you go on YouTube and you type how to dev meme coins, I might be one of the only YouTubers posting. It's so untapped. That's exactly why I'm making this video. So keep watching because I'm going to show you everything. And by the way, bro, it's all free. I do not sell a course. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. So please, bro, just do your own research. All right, so when someone decides they want to step up and dev a meme coin, they almost always look straight at Pump.Fun. I'm telling you, 95% of the market is blindly launching their tokens on there right now. It's the most popular platform, that's a fact. But here is the brutal reality. Pump.Fun is insanely saturated, bro. Coins are launching non-stop and the vast majority of them lose all momentum instantly. If you're still dropping your coins there, you aren't deving, you're just gambling, you're just sitting there hoping your chart magically goes viral, which is literally impossible. On top of that, there's a massive catch. Pump.Fun literally holds your liquidity pool hostage and skims a percentage right off your creator fees. You are literally losing total control and your own money, bro. Look, bro, as a dev, your absolute main focus has to be getting your tokens straight onto the Radium DEX. That is where the real traders are, and it's where the massive pools of liquidity are actually sitting. All the real volume rests right there. Now, normally, to get to that point, you have to drop your coin on Pump.Fun and battle it out in the trenches just to hit that $55,000 market cap. But bro, there is a massive shortcut, and this is exactly why I completely switched over to using LaunchMeme.Fun to launch my meme coins. Literally every single token you deploy through LaunchMeme.Fun completely skips that bonding curve and goes straight to Radium. You instantly level up to the DEX, putting your chart in front of thousands of active buyers right on the spot. Now, to make a meme coin, you have two strategies. The first way to make a coin is using the Create Coin tab. It's the main page. And here is where you can make a custom coin by going on X, going on any social media platform and looking for a narrative. For example, bro, there's a war going on. That is a really good narrative. Also, there were a couple TikTok memes that went viral. Those are good too. But once you have a narrative, come back to LaunchMeme.Fun, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick logo, and then your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method. I've personally grown my entire portfolio from the copy trending coin strategy. Basically, all these coins right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a huge community and a bunch of volume on these coins, which means if you copy a coin here to Radium, but you have a higher chance of getting a bunch of people onto your coin, and you don't need to look for a custom narrative, you can just copy one here if you are lazy. That's exactly why I vamp coins. All right, guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is doing a live example on how to copy or vamp a coin and then we'll see how much we can make potentially on this launch by the end of the video. I will cash out, I will do everything, bro, and then click on refresh and then look for a coin to make a copy. I'm gonna copy the distorted face coin, right? It looks good. Copy to Radium right here. Click on that, then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Click on proceed and then confirm, and I understand at last. Just click confirm and then the coin will be copied, right? Just wait for it to load real quick. Boom, your token is live on Solana blockchain. If I go to SolScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain 11 seconds ago. Everything is live, everything is working. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is really simple. Bro, do not overcomplicate it. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Radium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spend anything, right? Here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool and then just wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up in a couple of seconds and then ignore the block once again. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the distorted face coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and then your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at any given moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 113 bucks, which is a 334% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some good profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to Memecoins.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on DEX Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet. Mine is already connected, but let me disconnect it and connect it again for better understanding. Then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this face, select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 4,000 or 5,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $8,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars and just hit 19,000 market cap. This is insane if the meme is hot. And if you use the right tool for Memecoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Now, a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. I am back and bang, bro. We are up to a $32,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane. And it has only been like a couple of minutes. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now, I think I'm going to, dump it, Now come back to launch Meme.Fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 19,000 is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video right now. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm, and bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $19,440 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Okay, you guys have to start deving, bro. Launch Meme.Fun will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 soul to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.